everyone! Today we are going to unbox a car accessory. What kind of car accessory are we unboxing today, Daddy?
We're going to unbox chrome garnishes that we got from Lazada, Charles.
What's a chrome garnish for, Daddy?
Chrome garnishes are those shiny things that you put in the car to make it stand out and go faster.
Really?
No. Chrome garnishes adds bling to the car.
So let's open it.
Okay, let's go. Wow, as you can see, the package is tightly packed.
With bubble wrap, and you can't hear it if we shake it. No, we shake harder. Let's shake harder. Okay, so enough for today. We're going to start unboxing.
So we're gonna open this from here.
And also, if you try this at home, be careful with the color.
Open it. Yeah.
What is this supposed to be?
What? As you can wait a minute. Don't touch that. So there you go. As you can see, even inside the
Chrome garnishes
chrome
are
garnishes
still covered with bubble wrap.
Yes. Put it inside.
Okay.
There you go. So again, we're gonna open this one.
It's very hard to open bubble wrap.
No, it's not.
Okay, so come on, let's install it in the car.
Not yet. I have to remove the plastic first.
Oh, so many layers of packaging.
That's good.
First bubble wrap, then a box, then bubble wrap, then another plastic. Wow, it's very hard. So here are the chrome garnishes for the car. Oh, they are a bit sharp. Okay, so it's a kind of like a sword.
Yeah, so this one,
It's very shiny.
this goes in front.
The windshield.
No, not the windshield.
Oh,
see?
the hood.
Yes, the hood. Okay.
The hood.
And as you can see, there's lots of double adhesive at the back to secure it.
Oh, then if we unbox the second
This
plate,
one.
this one is for the windshield.
Oh, silly.
What?
This goes to the trunk.
Oh, the trunk, yes.
Okay, this goes to the trunk. So we don't put chrome garnishes on the windshield. Okay, so
Where is the windshield? Ah, oh, the ones that we see in front of the car, that's where we...
the windshield.
Yes,
Yeah,
the windshield, yes.
The glass in front.
Okay.
Okay. Same with the other one. You can see
It
that.
has abundant double adhesive to secure it properly.
Okay, so there you go.
Come on, let's install it in the car.
Okay, let's go. So this time we'll install the hood garnish. So first, before we install, we're gonna light this first. Light it up. So as you can see, what we're using when we wipe the car, we're using Should open it. The trunk garnish is not curved enough to fit the curved portion of the trunk, and this is what happens. See, the tension removed the adhesive on the trunk.
Whew. There you have it. The chrome garnishes are now installed in the car.
If you like our video, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also by ringing the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos. This is my dad
And this is my son Bob.
saying
Happy weekend!